Let's create this in and out of letters effect using Canva. Let's go. To start, from your homepage, we're going to select create and choose the format you want to create this effect. So I'm going to select Instagram post, and I'm choosing here the right size. Now for this Instagram posts is this one here. To really start, you need an image that you can put a letter in and out of it. You can search within Canva in the elements, and here you describe the kind of image that you're looking for. I'm just going to give you an example. Editorial, fashion woman posing. Because usually these kind of posing images is where you'll find something interesting, something out of the ordinary. Here you can go and click see all, and you will find many of them would work already. You need something that could interact with the letters. And here you can see some great images for free. If you want to filter free or pro, you just go here, show filters. And if you don't have Canva Pro, just click on free and apply. And here you'll find what I mean, okay? You'll see many different posing images that you can use for this design. After choosing your image, don't set it as background yet, because we're going to need two of them. So you have to duplicate it. And now you can set one as background. And the other one, for creating that effect, we are going to remove the background. Here you can simply go ahead, click on background remover. This is a paid feature in Canva, but you can also remove background for free using an app within Canva. I'll link a video here to show how you can do that in case you need. Now what is very important is if you have the image on the very size of your Canva, like this Instagram post size, this is very easy to match one above the other. You don't need, you see, I just placed the image right there. If you have different sizes, that is more tricky, because then you have to kind of try to find the right angle to make it fit, and sometimes it takes more time. So a quick tip, if your image is not in that size, let me give you one example. Let's go to elements and let me search for an image that could be tricky. This one here, because when you set it to the background and then you add another image of that, you see this image has a bigger size than the Instagram post. So when we eliminate like the background and we try to do just what I did before, it doesn't fit, and it's, oh my God, you have to try to make it fit. You see, you lose a lot of time doing this. So for you to avoid that, one quick tip is just place the image in the background in the position that you like. Then you download it and upload it back again in Canva with the right size. So this way you save a lot of time. Let's go back here. Now you just need to add a text box. Search for a font that you like, the size. You can change everything in Canva. As you know, you can choose its color. Now we're just going to type in whatever word you think it is proper for that design. I like using letters, in this case for this in and out effect, that are like the O or the D would work. So letters that have more negative space, okay? And now we're going to make sure that the image in which we remove the background is positioned on the right place. So you just have to click anywhere on your design, click on position, layers, and this layer here needs to be above the text layer. It has to be here up front. And now you're going to grab it. It's super easy, this hack actually. You're going to grab that image and you're going to reduce it like I'm doing here. And as you see, that's the way you do it. So you have these two images and you can make them interact with the text. You can then add some more elements to your design to make it more interesting, depending on the purpose you're going to use it for. I can see this in a cover of a magazine, for instance. I'll show you a different example of a work I did using this in and out effect. You can see this here as well. I really like the way the design interacts with the letters, and it's the same thing I showed you before. So you can be creative, play with this in different ways. But I hope that this helps you level up your design and use your creativity for different kind of projects, adding a small touch that can make a difference in a design. Let me know in the comments if you try it out and how it went for you. See you in the next video.